Hi, welcome to the LeaderWashing.com review channel. In this video, we will show you a reality special model for pressure washer. We are gonna show you XLEPW 2,123,100. XLEPW 2,123,100 3,100 PSI 2.8 GPM 212 cc gas-powered pressure washer is suitable for power washing your deck, driveway, patio furniture and more. It comes along with a powerful 212 cc XL OHV gas engine. Also given are 5 quick-click nozzle tips, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree and low pressure /soap, as well as a 25-foot hose. The heavy-duty roll cage frame protects all critical components from damage. It has 10-inch never-flat tires, gives easy maneuverability across all terrain with no need to add air. This XL pressure washer has a heavy-duty brass head pump for longer life at a higher pressure and a soap siphon for spraying soap on cleaning surfaces. The onboard hose storage keeps the hose with the unit attached all times, and the collapsible handle allows for easy transport and storage. Onboard storage hooks are available for the spray gun and hose to keep them tidy. Built-in nozzle holder keeps them usable. Axial-style brass head pump along with stainless steel pistons and thermal relief valve to extend pump life. Ergonomic rust-free wand assembly with quick connect nozzle tip. Fuel tank capacity, gallons, 0.95. 5 quick connect nozzle tips with color coding for easy identification and change for multiple cleaning applications. Low profile frame for convenient storage under a workbench is right for your garage. Cold water powered pressure washer is equipped with a low oil sensor. If the engine oil level goes lower than required, the pressure washer will automatically shut off. This keeps the XL pressure washer engine protected from operating without proper lubrication. If the pressure washer engine suddenly shuts down and the oil level is according to specification, check if the pressure washer is sitting at an angle that forces oil to shift. Please keep it on a flat surface to correct this. If the engine does not start, the oil level may not be sufficient to deactivate a low oil level switch. Be sure that the driver is filled with oil. 1. Place the XLEPW 2,123,100 on its back and insert the wheel axle into the front tube. Use M6 washer and M6 by 15 mm long hex head screw to assemble wheel axle to the frame using the supplied open end wrench. Tighten it securely. Repeat the same for the opposite side. 2. Remove the M8 washer and M8 nut from wheel axle and place wheel onto the shaft. Make sure the hub on the wheel goes to the inside. Fix the washer and nut onto axle using the supplied open end wrench. Tighten it securely. Repeat for the opposite side. 3. Keeping the unit still on its back, assemble those rubber feet using M8 by 30 mm long socket head cap screw and M8 nut. Using the supplied hex wrench and open end wrench, tighten it securely. Repeat it for the opposite side. 4. Keep the unit on its wheels and rubber feet. Remove the knobs and screws from the handle. 5. Remove the handle and rotate 180 degrees and again put it into the frame. Reassemble both the knobs and the screws. 6. Assemble the lower gun hook using M6 by 45 mm long socket head cap screw, M6 nut, and the provided hex wrench and an open end wrench. Tighten properly. 7. Set the upper gun hook using M6X. 45 mm long socket head cap screw, M6 nut, and the supplied hex wrench and open end wrench. Make sure to tighten it correctly. 8. Assemble those upper hose hanger using M6 by 45 mm long socket head cap screws, M6 nuts, and the supplied hex wrench and an open end wrench. Tighten it properly. Before connecting to EPW 2,123,100, run water properly through the garden hose which is not supplied, to flush out any foreign matter. Check if that screen is clean and is in the inlet of the pump. Attach the garden hose to the inlet connection located on the pump. While cleaning with the pressure washer, many cleaning tasks can be solved with water alone, but for most jobs, it is advantageous to use a detergent also. A detergent ensures a fast soaking of the dirt, allowing the high-pressure water to penetrate and remove them dirt more effectively. Pressure washer chemicals are specially made to be used with your pressure washer. Clogging of the nozzle can cause the pump pressure to be too high and cleaning is immediately required. 1. Move the nozzle from the wand. 2. Clean the vent with the nozzle cleaner pin provided with the pressure washer. 3. Wash the nose backward with water. 4. Reinstall the nozzle inside the wand. Restart the pressure washer and loosen the trigger on the spray gun. If the nozzle is still plugged or partially plugged, continue above items 1 to 4. If the previous procedure does not open the nozzle, replace with a new nose. The pressure washer comes to a water inlet screen to protect the pump. If the screen is not clean, it will restrict the flow of water to the pressure washer and may cause damage to the pump. Never damage the screen while removing or cleaning the seam. If any foreign particles on the pump, it may damage the pump. Do not operate the pressures here without the filter in place. Move the screen and back flush to remove impurities from the seam. Replace it immediately. During the winter months, rare atmospheric conditions can develop which will cause an icing condition in the carburetor. This develops, the engine may become rough, lose power, and may stall.